Hi, this is Nick Caplanson from Dime Bank. I'm here with you today to read one of my favorite books, Clifford the Big Red Dog. This is a really good book. I love dogs, so why don't we get into this one? This is by Norman Bridwell. Clifford the Big Red Dog. Here's the star of the book, Emily Elizabeth. I'm Emily Elizabeth, and I have a dog. My dog is a big red dog. Other kids I know have dogs too. Some are big dogs. And some are red dogs. But I have the biggest, reddest dog on our street. This is my dog Clifford. He is pretty big. We have fun together and we play games. I throw a stick and he brings it back to me. He makes mistakes sometimes. Yeah, it looks like he made a mistake there. We play hide and seek. I'm a good hide and seek player. I can find Clifford, no matter where he hides. You can see he's hiding behind the house, but you can still see him. We play camping out a lot, and I don't need a tent. He can do tricks too. He can sit up and beg. Oh, I know he's not perfect. He has some bad habits. Sometimes he runs after cars, and he catches some of them. He runs after cats too. We don't go to the zoo anymore. He even digs up flowers. See that? And Clifford loves to chew shoes. It's not easy to keep Clifford. He eats and drinks a lot. His house was a problem too. But he's a very good watchdog. And the mean boys don't come around anymore. Looks like he's taking care of them. One day I gave Clifford a bath. And I combed his hair and took him to the dog show. I'd like to say that Clifford won first prize, but he didn't. Looks like this little guy over here won first prize. See that? I don't care. You can keep all your small dogs. You can keep all your black, white, brown, and spotted dogs. I'm keeping Clifford. Wouldn't you? I would. Thanks for being with us today.